Good morning, children. Once again, today we are here for our English literature class. Today I will take, or today we will study the workbook, and in this particular workbook, today we will take worksheet number 1, page number 1. Page number 1, worksheet number 1. There is a story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. So, children, this particular chapter or this particular story is a linkage lesson, from the tale of two mice. So, in my main textbook, I have taught you that the tale of two mice. See, we have learned the tale of two mice. We have already learned this particular lesson in previous classes. So it is a linkage of this particular chapter, the tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay, children. So as I told you in the first or in the previous class, what is the meaning of tale? Tale is simply it is a story. Okay, this meaning is here it is a story. It is a story. The meaning is story. So here in this particular chapter, we are going to study about these rabbits. Okay, children. So the tale of the tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay. So now who are there here? Let us see. Now in this particular chapter, who are there? There are rabbits. Of course, there is a mother rabbit, Mrs. Rabbit. See. First one is Mrs. Rabbit. Then there are some there are children, or like see Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter, who is very naughty. Okay, so these are this one is Mother Rabbit, then Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter Rabbit. These four rabbits are there. So now let us come to this particular text. First, I will read the text. The Tale of Peter Rabbit. First paragraph. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits, and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. They lived with their mother underneath the root of a fir tree. One morning, Mrs. Rabbit had to go out. She told the little rabbits that she would be back soon. Mrs. Rabbit also warned them not to go into Mr. McGregor's garden, as he did not like any visitors. Second paragraph. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. But Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. McGregor's garden. First, he ate some lettuce and some French beans, and then he ate some radishes. After that, he went looking for some parsley. Mr. McGregor was in his garden planting some cabbages. Suddenly, he saw Peter destroying his garden and he was very angry. "Stop thief," he said, and ran after Peter. Peter was dreadfully frightened. He rushed all over the garden, but he could not find the gate. Then he tried to find his way straight across the garden. Finally, he found the way to his home. Peter never stopped running or looking behind him till he got home to the big fig tree, to the big fir tree. Last paragraph. Peter was very tired and scared. He flopped down upon the nice soft sand on the floor of the rabbit hole. His mother saw that Peter was not feeling very well. So he put him to bed and made some tea for him. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail enjoyed a delicious supper of bread, milk, and blackberries. Abridged from The Tale of Peter Rabbit by Beatrix Potter. So from here it is taken, this particular story is taken. So this is the story, children. One more is there here, I have not written. See here, Mr. Rabbit, Mrs. Rabbit, Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, Peter, and there is one more. There is a gardener who is called Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor. So, he is a gardener. Okay. Okay, children. So, I read the story, and these are the main, we can say, main characters who are acting in this particular story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Okay, so this story is easy to understand, children, provided you read the story. You have to read. And you have to correctly read and pronounce the word. It is very good. So now we have heard this particular story. Now first paragraph, you see. Once upon a time there were 4 little rabbits. So children, I will explain this particular text in my next class. Thank you.